Greetings, everyone. I'm here today to share with you some tips and tricks on smarter debugging. I understand firsthand the importance of working efficiently when dealing with software development. All of us have that mindset of needing things to be done yesterday. These days, budgets are tight and there's a push for time and money saved around every corner. That's why I'm so passionate about this topic. I want to enable developers to save time, to enable them to be just a bit more intelligent in their debugging and thereby save valuable development time. It might sound counterintuitive, but an effective debugging process can actually save time in the long run and make developers more productive. So, today I'm going to talk to you about 7 time-saving life hacks for smarter debugging. First, let's talk about how to prioritize. It's easy to get overwhelmed by a huge list of bugs, and it's important to focus on what needs to be fixed as soon as possible. Take a look at the bug reports and prioritize them according to their level of importance. This will help you to solve the most critical problems first and then work your way through the list for the others. Next, get your environment ready for debugging. Having your environment set up correctly can be half the battle. Making sure the proper libraries and pieces are in place will save time later. Third, automate the testing process to get rid of repetitive tasks. Automation reduces debugging time, allows for easy regression testing, and can reduce human errors in your code. Fourth, set breakpoints in your code. Breakpoints, also known as watch points, are points in your code you can set to watch, pause, or terminate the execution of your program. This can help you analyze larger chunks of code more efficiently and quickly pinpoint bugs. Fifth, code reviews, code reviews, code reviews. Nothing beats having another set of data points open on your code. Code reviews help us spot the bugs and send us down the right debugging paths faster. Sixth, there are debugging tools available on the web like debuggers, performance tools, testing libraries, and more. These tools are designed to make software development easier and more efficient, so make sure you are putting them to use. And finally, use logging, and use logging. Logging is extremely important for debugging because it helps to trace the flow through your program and monitor its performance. This can save you time and make debugging much easier. Well, there you have it, 7 time-saving life hacks for smarter debugging. Implementing these steps into your debugging routine will greatly improve your productivity and save time in the long run. So, happy debugging all. Until next time.